Feeling blocked up or coughing nonstop? Step 1. Steam. Add eucalyptus oil to hot water and inhale deeply. It opens your airways fast. Step 2. Gargle with warm salt water. It soothes the throat and fights bacteria. Step 3. Use over-the-counter syrups or lozenges for dry or chesty coughs. And do not forget, fluids are your friend. Sip warm tea or water all day. Still blocked after 3 days? See a doctor, especially if you have a fever or trouble breathing. For more tips before the doctor, hit that subscribe button.